And now we're going to resolve this other trigonometric problem that the name is
trigonometric identities.
Yes. Okay, this is our second problem of trigonometric identities, and now we're going to solve this. First, that we have to do is see the formulas, and then we know that this formula is the same like this, but just only we solve for cos 2x, and it's the same. Here first we equal to 0 all this thing, and we substitute that cos 2x with this, and this 1 minus sin 2x, and then we solve it. We multiply this to this, and here we have two numbers, and we only subtract this, and it's plus 1. And then when we have this, we have to factorize, and the factorization is this 2x plus 2x plus 1, and minus x plus 1. And then we know that this is correct because it's the same. If we solve this factorization, it's the same like this. And that's all for me. Now I'm going to give the other part to my partner, Lena.
Okay, now we have the two symbols of factorize. We have 2 equals to 0 to have the values of x. So if we do that, we have 2x plus 1 equals 0. That if we solve 2x, we have that is equal to minus half, and minus x plus 1 equals 0, minus x equals minus 1, and x equals 1. Then we have to look for this value of sine x minus 2, minus 2 half, and for this we have to solve to inverse function. So if we do that, now we have to put sine inverse x to have the values p and radians. So we have that minus half. There are two values in our unit circle that are 210 degrees and 330 degrees. That are the same that 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. But now we have to look our inverse rule that says that only sine inverse can have in first quadrant and fourth quadrant because of range. So we look that the only one that have that rule and is in the fourth quadrant. So it's only this value, 200, because 7 pi over 6 is not correct because it's rule. So it is our value of sine inverse of minus half. And then sine inverse of 1, the only value they can have is 90 degrees. That is the same as pi over 2. And that's all. This is our two results of 2 cos 2x plus sine x equals 1.